everyone, thank you for joining me for April's unboxing video. For April, we have Pigment of Your Imagination with a bunch of different fun pigmented products for you. So first off in this box, we have the new Joya Mia Glow in the Dark Spider Gel. So this is comparable to the Matrix gel from Christrio. So the string gel, you can make a lot of really fun designs with this stuff. And then this one's even more exciting because it's glow in the dark. And then we have a couple assorted pastel colors from Elegance. So these are the UV LED gel paints from them. And then we have the Christrio Aquarelle. So this is like the blooming gel. So this guy here is gonna be your base. This one is a clear base. They do make a white base and a black base as well for this. And I'll show you what I mean in the video when I'm talking about the base gel. And then you'll have two assorted colors in your box as well. These ones are the actual colors that will do the blooming for you. And then last but not least, we have the Nail Basics Flex Gel. This is our thinnest building gel. It is to be used on all enhancements. It provides flexibility and strength for your natural nail enhancements.